why you so stiff?
As it is 11. That is why they put you over here so you know them going to kill we. Thy kingdom.
Don't worry yourself. M16 gone for help. I warn you, you know. I'd worry about the security business. Try to follow me one mind.
It's like, you know, realize the trouble we get yourself in, you know.
Don't worry yourself, because I did worse.
What could be worse?
Them could I shoot you, them not shoot you.
Not yet! But wait till you finish.
So you look like you have a sudden nervous problem too.
Sleepy. We did lead a good life. We did have some fun times together.
In my lifetime, you know what Titus.
When M16, where you attack dog?
Titus.
You know.
How we get yourself in, eh?
Next week Saturday would have been my birthday, Sleepy. Next week Saturday.
Titus, you remember all them Saturday when we used to go over the go-go club?
Yeah. We'd have some good time together.
Yes. Jai, go and miss me.
I'm Myrtle.
I'm Merlin.
How your foot them feel?
What do you mean?
All people say when you go dead, your foot dead first make you can't run.
Oh, you're one.
Numb.
No, Jesus. You can't know. We reach it now, Titus. This is it. Titus, come to think of it, you know. If we're going to die, you know, I think we should go down. Find him. Should I do something?
What you suggest?
Look, all right. Me go and distract him, and you grab the gun.
No. Me distract him and you grab the gun. How that so?
All right. And second that, you know, I don't think we should play heroes. Kill me faster.
Hey, you two, stop the whispering!
On!
Empty your pocket then. All of them. Hold up, man!
Nothing bad? Nothing?
No, careful of that one there. Shut up!
You, your turn.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, yo. Empty your pocket then.
Quick! Sorry, boss. Where you get so much ultimate from?
That's all the money you have.
A big foreign security guy like you?
$7 between the two of them.
Excuse me, boss. Call him back $2.
Shut up.
Does him, man? Does him?
No.
If you want more, look in them shoes.
Which foot?
Left foot. If you don't find person, look in them socks.
Hey, empty your foot. Your socks.
Hey, Sleep, you watch me and you here.
Titus. You just all stand up there and watch them shoot you.
No, I'll shut me eye.
Anyway, you know, if you never chat so much, me wouldn't know this thing with you, you know.
No, you're right here to start security company.
Me never force you to join.
Hey, too much mumbling, man. Quiet!
Yeah, quiet.
Here's some money.
Good.
Hey, so you couldn't hold no more?
It's full, man. It's full.
One over there, sir. Between the two security idiot them.
Yeah, walk fast like a lovely lady.
I'm so nervous. My knees can't barely bear my weight. I feel like I'm going to faint right now on the spot.
So why are you nervous?
I'm not nervous.
No, sir.
Talk for yourself.
We's trained security agent. Hey, you might never tell about me and the wooden foot prowler.
Hey, me keep quiet.
That was you up at the house?
See man.
Why are you brave?
Hey, I don't want your word.
That one look dangerous, you know.
You can't do nothing as long as me is here.
Sleepy,
if me sacrifice me life, but me not stop him and them do not to her. Hey, you never hear about the grip lock?
Hey! You never hear me say much? Shut up! You may keep quiet!
You never say anything.
Hey, you see if he's doing in the drape up, so me and him inside that today.
Because look real, you know. Hey, I think we should try something.
A good man just rush him and put on a choke and take away the gun from him.
Careful.
I never say me that I go do nothing. I say me have a good mind. You're my idiot.
Who said that?
Tell him what?
Who you talking? Hey, who you was talking about?
Don't beg it, don't beg it. Make it look
Keep that.
Me no remember how me dey attack.
Me hear somebody whisper, man.
Tell him, Titus, tell him.
Me no remember who me dey attack.
You never say anything.
Me hear somebody whisper, man.
Don't shoot, Alf.
Shoot?
Hey, look, man. If you go down, you must go down fighting.
Me not ready for go down yet.
How you was talking about, boy?
Tell him, say, him, tell him.
If you me attack, shoot you, boy.
No, Alf, easy, Alf, easy.
Tell him, say,